Hello traders, it is October the 18th on a Wednesday. My name is Andy with Trade Ideas, and we're going to take a look at some setups this morning. The SPY still kind of in the middle of this range I've been talking about now for several days. Gapping down a little bit. Let's see if this 10-period moving average crossed over the 20. So looking constructive here for a possible breakout, above that 50-period moving average, but I think you just have to be patient because we could go either way. So let's take a look at some stocks that I'm liking here. SXC, SunCoke Energy. Boy, it just looks like above that 10 is a critical level. That's a psychological level and a pivot level, and some resistance. So above that 10, keep an eye on that one. GoDaddy, like the way it's holding up. GDD, you can see a couple of nice green bars off the above all its key moving averages there. So look for a breakout above that a month high there. And GoDaddy, RBA is looking really nice here. Nice setup in RBA. You got the 10-period sloping upward. Like to see that catch that 10-period and catapult, through this resistance level. RBA is one to watch. A couple of big caps that are holding up well in the tech sector is Google. There you have a look at Google. Very nice, defending that 10-period moving average, and Meta, META. Also, as we head into earnings seasons, these are holding up very well. One other one to keep an eye on, this was actually the trade of the week. Gold and silver are gapping up again today, along with the GDX. So let's keep an eye on NXE. Okay, I did buy this yesterday at 564. We'll see if it can get above this mess. It's got a lot of work to do, but anyway, if it can get above this level right here, it could be interesting in that NXC. It's probably where I'll add my position. All right, that's it for today. Have a good one. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.